Welcome to AICT MS Word Lesson 2 Advanced Fonts, Bullets and Numbering. First I am going to explain the advanced font character settings. In the previous lesson we learned how to change the font size, bold, italic and underline. So to do the advanced font settings, here in the home tab, here in the font section, here can you see there is a small arrow. You can click on that, or you can press the control key in your keyboard. Press the control key. While pressing the control key, you can press the D key. So here you will get the font dialog box. So in the font dialog box, as usual, you can select a font whatever you want. For example, I will select Arial black, right? Here you can select the font style, the font size, however you want, right? Now you can press OK. So this one I'll say welcome, right? So these whatever I did now, you can do here Arial black 20 bold. If you want to do in more advanced, like here see, if you want to give a underline style, right? If you give a underline here straight away, for example here if I give an underline, right? So the underline will be here. When you go to font, and here you can give an underline. If you want 2 lines, you can give a 2 lines. You can give a underline color, right? A font color is a different font color, right? And press OK. So when you type here, you will get a underline 2 lines, right? You can highlight and you can change it and see. Here I will go to font, right? Here you can change underline styles, right? Your waves and OK, or a different color also. I will make it green. Can you see, right? Font, right? So like that. Likewise, if you don't want, you can remove the underline color. So I will delete everything again. I will go to font, right? I will select Arial black again, right? The size, right? Here you have a strike through. Here the strike through option. So it will give a one line here. Welcome, right? So the single line, just strike through. We call that strike through. Straight away that one also given from here also, here strike through here. But if you want to give a double strike, here you have to go to font and a double strike. In the preview also you can notice here welcome and OK. Right. So superscript, subscript also can be given, right? Superscript, subscript is also given here. For example, here also you have this subscript. We call this one subscript. You can identify from the icon, right? Yeah, this is the superscript. For example, here CO2. If it is a, I will remove the strike through, right? If it is a scientific CO2, so 2 should be subscript. So go to font, make it subscript, and press OK and 2. Again, you have to remove the. You can straight away do it here also. Plus. Right, H, here also you can that one straight away, H2. Like that, you can make it out. Right, so that is the superscript. Subscript also can be done, right? So here X card, press that one and make it, and switch off that one to come back here. Like that you can try. So that is the superscript and subscript. Right. Now I'll go to font. Right. You have small caps. We'll see the small caps. What is small caps? Check the small caps. See here. So when you apply small caps, I'm going to type a letter right here. Well, W I'm typing in. Using the keyboard, I type the W as capital. I press the shift key and I type W in the keyboard, and after that welcome just I am typing in simple, it means without pressing the shift key in the keyboard in small letters, but it appears capital but the size is smaller than the first letter which I type right. That is the here I am typing 2 in small. AICT I am typing in caps, capital letter in the keyboard. So the larger than, that is the caps lock. Right here I can notice here you will understand here, see that is a small cap. When I untick here, this is the no, whatever I type like this. When I tick small caps, it's up here. All caps mean all capital. Right, hidden it means will be hide in the document. Right, it won't be visible, but it's there. It's there. Right, you can go there and you can right. It's hidden. Right, it will be hidden. Right. So these are the advanced settings. More also we have here. I'll go to font. Right. Again, here you can go to text effects. Here the text effects. Here you can give a text fill color and a line color. Here I'll give a fill color, right? And here outline. It's a solid color, right? Outline color here, say. And press OK, OK. So you'll have a fill color and outline color. So the fill color is blue, outline color is go to text effects, right? So I will change fill color is something, I will make it yellow, and the outline color I make it red, and I reduce the thickness of the line color 0.25 and OK. Right, so there are several options, right, in the advanced font settings. Right, so you can click here, text effects. Right, you can give a shadow also here, for example. Right, I'll select this one and I'll make it I'll make it black. Right, straight away I'll go to black and I'll go text effect. I will remove the line, text outline. I'll go to shadow. You can give shadows, right? Presets also available. Here I'll give a preset, right? The shadow color you can decide, and you'll have a shadow here. Can you notice? If I increase the font, you can notice the shadow. Can you see? That's the shadow. Right? I'll type a letter without shadow. I'll remove the shadow and I will show it that one. I'll go to text effect, shadow, right? So no shadow, okay, okay, and I will type, okay. So this is with shadow, this is without shadow. Right, now I'll explain the bulleting and the numbering. Right here, there is a bulleting. If I want, I will say item. I'll go to font and I'll change the font back to everything to default. You can click. I will go to Arial. The color I'll make it just black at the moment, right? And I'll go to text effects. We'll make it no shadow. Okay. No line. Okay. And okay, right. So I guess I will say welcome. Oh, I'll say item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. So you can select that one, you can give bulleting. It will be bulleted. If you want to give a different bullet, you can click here, you can select from here If you want more, you can click here, define a new bullet. You can click define a new bullet, and here you can click symbols, right? You can select a different symbol, whatever you want, right? From here, from the list you have a lot of, right? I'll select this one and OK, and I'll press OK, right? So here I'll say, I will select this one, and here bulleting, change the list level. Here you can change the list level, right? This means the level of this, right, bulleting. With this, the tab here. That is the list level, right? When you are doing some practical, you can get that one, the list level. To tab this side and this side, right? Change the list level. If you want to bring main, you can make it, bring it line. It means just think you want, just you make it like this. I will say items, right? Items. So I will put this 20, and I will give a numbering for this one. Okay. So you can select this one, and you can set a list level. Here, change the list level sub, and I will make it here. If you want another item, here you can click and type sub item. Sub item. You can select these two, and you can go to list and change the list level to another. For that one also you can define like this. You can select this one, and you can define a different symbol for that one. So same like the numbering. Here I will go here items, the numbering. Numbering. Right. What I do, I will select everything, and I will bring everything to the this level, right? Just think something like this here. Okay. So I can select this thing, and I will go to numbering, and I can select a number, right? And you can select those two, and you can go here and change the list level here, right? It's a Roman letters. You can go for number or whatever, ABC here. And also you can change the, there are a lot of things here. You can change the list level, define a number, new format, set a number value. It should be start from 10. You can type 10. Okay, it's 10, 11. So these are the bulleting and numberings. So now we do two exercises. So I have emailed exercise 3. So we try to do that one first here, this one. So first type the text content, right, in your Word document without formatting. Right, so after typing, you will get like this. Now we can start to format. So the heading will be centered and underlined, bold. Right, so I will select this one. If I want, I will change the font size, and I'll make it center, bold, and underline. Right. So the next formatting, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, Adobe, right. I will select these two, and I will increase the font size a little bit. Okay, I will change the font also. Arial O. So I can reduce the font, right? Accordingly you can change the font, right? Line spacing, remove the line spacing, right? Now click the bulleting, go to bullet. Here you have, you don't have, you can click define bullet, symbols, right? If the symbol is not there, here you can select web things or something, web things. Yeah, in the web things you can find sometimes the Windows logo. Right, here is the one, and I'll press OK and OK. Right, and here I will select this one and I will click strike through. For the other one, that is 2 strikes, so you have to highlight that one, go to font and select the double strike. Now select those Microsoft Access, right? Go to, I will increase the font size, right? And I will remove the line spacing, and here the bulletins, and I will select this one, right? And again I will go to here, change the list level, and here check this one, and again go there and again define that one, and here there's an outline, right? There's an outline, so we will make it a little bit bold, and I will go to Arial black so you can clearly see the outline. That's right. Right, now here go to font, go to text effects, go to text fill, tick the no fill for the text fill. For the text outline, go to solid outline and give a color, right? Color as blue in my, right? So you'll get something like this, right? Again, you can select these Adobe Photoshop up to Kids Studies. Okay, remove the line spacing. The bulletin you can select again this one, right? Now you can one by one, the first one just underline words only. Here select here, go to font, here underline words only. Here see, only there's a space, right? Other, if you select word, here underline continuously, there's underline. There's no gap between the word spaces. Select words only and press OK. And the other underlining is Adobe PageMaker, just underline. So here you can click and you can make it out. And for the Visual Basic, there is a dash, select that one. Go to font, underline. You can select a dashed one. Right. Other one, Java two lines. Go to font and underline 2 lines. And Kids Computing, there is a underline with color, red color. Go to font, underline, and color. Kids Studies. Right. Same Jumpstart Spelling. I love maths. Right. So select those. We will change the level that one for. Bulletin, and go to define the level and again assign that one. Right, and there is a shadow. Can you notice there is a shadow given to that one? There is a shadow and small caps. Right, that's in small caps. So go to the Word document. So go to font, select small caps, and when you have to retype, right? Sometimes you have to retype when you're typing. Small caps, I will give the, go to text effect, I'll give a shadow, right, just outer shadow, and press OK, and OK. Now here I will, what you do, I will select here like this, and I will go here. You can say capitalize each word, so it will go to the small caps. Right, you can see the shadow also. Then select, go to font. The last one didn't get the text effects. Shadow is given. OK, and press OK. Right. Next, see the greatest innovative of education. I will make it bold, and I will increase the size a little bit. Right. See the color of that. That is something, a gradient color here. It's a gradient color. Only a fill color. So go to font, text effects, go to text fill, and click gradient. Here you have some gradient. You can select, I think it's a linear grading. Here you have some colors. Select this one, and I will go to more colors, and I will go to standard, and I will get a darker one for the first, and it's not a blue, right? I will go to more colors, right, this one. I will select the second one and go to more colors. I will select a lighter color than the previous one. Yeah, more colors, right? Carefully notice my mouse, right? You have to select that bar, right? And select that bar, and more colors, lighter than, right? And here, if you want additional, also you can add a gradient point. You can select and remove, right? You can try. You can practice, self-practice on that. Your greatest, and I will change that one to a radial. So text fill, and I will make it radial. And press OK. Right. However, it's not a radial. Yeah, it's not a radial. So it's a linear. Right. See the effect, right? Whatever, it's up to you, right? Gradient, text fill, linear. OK. And OK. So you'll get the effect, right? Here you can use the superscript. I will select this one. Superscript. Select this one. Select the superscript. Subscript. And this middle one, subscript. If you want, now select this one, and you can increase the font as much you want. So this is the one. So here the A4 size you have to save as usual. Go to, before that, go to layout, margin, last custom settings. Right, that is the top 7, 8, right, A4 size. And you can save. Go to file, save as. You can save it exercise for your name. Right, AICT, you have to keep the, remember, go to the folder, right? So MS Office, Word, not forgot, name, and ex3, and save. So do this one and email me. Do it and email me. Right, everything correct? Right. Next we see another. So first type the text content without formatting, right? Press the enter key to move to the next line whenever it's necessary, right? So for example, you have to press the enter key after IE vision and mission type. After that, you have to press the enter key typing the worldwide, right? The worldwide, like here, this is the worldwide. You have to press enter key. After the mission, you have to press the enter key. After the profession, you have to press the enter key. And here, after the technical, each and every line, you have to press the enter key. Technical communities, you have to press the enter key. So carefully press the enter key whenever it's needed. So you'll get like that. So I'm not going to help you, just you have to do it, whatever we learn, and you have to get the output same as like this, and you have to save it that one as you have to set the page, and you have to save it that one as your name. You have to put your name and exercise 4, right? And you have to email it. I'm not going to explain. Whatever the thing what we have explained already is there, right? You can try by yourself.